Let's talk about Smart Workflow from SmartERP Solutions. Smart Workflow starts with the AWE engine that you might be familiar with from e-procurement and expenses and expands on it greatly. From working with many customers, we've come up with many enhancements designed to make your company work the way it ought to work. Among these are user-defined routing rules, which are wizard-based and effective dated. You can route by any field value, amounts, chart fields, origin, etc. And you can also route by tree nodes. We also have a common approver and reviewer setup page. All approvers and reviewers are set up in the same fashion, no matter what document or process they're approving. You can assign by any field value. You can assign by tree nodes. Also, you get a common inbox for all processes. You don't have to go to different places to approve different documents. You get configurable searches based on the document that you're approving. You also get mass approval capability, and all the information needed for your approval is in one place. Smart Workflow allows you to have manual or automatic submission with preview capability and the ability to enter an ad hoc even prior to the first step. You also have a rerouting template where you can choose data elements that require rerouting for workflow. It allows approvers to change certain values without rerouting through the entire workflow path. You also can define optional steps, which will automatically be skipped if no approvers are found for the step, and will not route to an admin as with regular steps. You can also do things like defer combo edits until a desired approval step. This allows the entry clerk to not worry about what chart fields are on the document. Possibly they don't know, but an approver down the line can fill in the proper chart field values and move it on through workflow. You also get enhanced proxy assignments, which allow you to split up your proxies or those people that are going to approve for you in your absence by document. You can send your vouchers to one person and your purchase orders to another. We also allow for reviewer comments through our collaboration tool and email approval through any email client like Outlook and also through iPhones and other internet smartphones. Finally, your organization's unique requirements can be met. You tell us what you need and we will build it. Remember that Smart Workflow is common across your entire enterprise. You can use it on financials, purchase orders, budget transfers. You can use it in HCM for job offers, promotions, transfers. You can use it in Campus Solution for student refunds. Wherever you are in PeopleSoft, you can use a common workflow framework for any of your workflow needs. Remember, it can be configured to work on any PeopleSoft document throughout your enterprise, including custom documents specific to your organization. Now let's take a look at some of Smart Workflow's capabilities in action. You get rich graphic representation of the approval path with the ability to add ad hoc reviewers and approvers. Those are people that are not assigned to the path automatically, but that need to approve a document. You also get attachments. This is standard for all documents within workflow. And you also get to use standard comments, so approvers don't have to type the same things over and over again into the comments. With Smart Workflow, you get a friendly wizard to set up routing rules, which turn this cluttered look into a nice, easy to follow, user-friendly interface where you define your routing rules. Smart Workflow has a common Smart Approver setup, no matter if you're approving AP vouchers, POs, budget transfers, doesn't matter. You set the user up in one place with their authorized values. Business owners can easily take ownership of this module. You can route by tree nodes, values, or ranges, and you can actually attach electronic signatures for printing. Smart Workflow provides a common approval inbox. You can approve any doc in one spot, whether it's budget transfers, deposit transmittals, expense reports, or any document. You can come to one place and you can search for those documents in that one place. No need to go to multiple places. You also get a mass approval inbox. So for the power users, they can go in and approve multiple documents at one time without actually going into the doc to inspect it. And you also get a very comprehensive workflow approval reassign, where you can easily change approvers on multiple docs at one time from any user to any user. When you're on vacation, you'll need to assign your duties to another user. With Smart Workflow, you can assign proxies by transaction. You can transfer your purchase orders to one person and your vouchers to another person, for example, for different periods of time. When you're on the road, you can even work. How about that? You can get your approvals routed to you via an email client, and you can submit and approve or deny or push back any document without ever signing on to the PeopleSoft product. You can even use your iPhone. Well, thanks for joining me for this look at SmartERP's Smart Workflow. We hope to hear from you soon.